Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your first international transfer with TransferGo. It's quick and easy process. So let's get started. First you will need to sign up for a TransferGo account. If you haven't already, go to transfergo.com or download the TransferGo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Enter your email, create a password and follow the prompts to complete the registration. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. To start a new transfer, click on the Send Money button. You will need to enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. TransferGo will show you exchange rate and any applicable fee. Next, you will need to add the recipient details, enter their name, bank account number, and the bank SWIFT code. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Now choose the delivery speed for your transfer. TransferGo offers different options from standard to express. The express option will deliver the money faster but may come with slightly higher fee. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Review all the details of your transfer to make sure everything is correct. Check recipient's information, the amount, the delivery speed. If everything looks good, click confirm. To complete your transfer, you will need to make the payment. TransferGo offers various payment methods, including bank transfers and debit or credit cards. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to complete the payment. Once your payment is confirmed, you can track the status of your transfer within the app or on the website. TransferGo will also send you notifications to keep you updated on the progress of your transfer. And that's it. You have successfully made your first international transfer with TransferGo. It's simple and reliable way to send money abroad. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.